chi-square distribution. Chi-square distribution. Okay. Take the question. Five dice formula chi-distribution formula is chi-square is equal to summation of the value, okay, this is observation value and expectation value, okay, 4 square of 5, okay, this is the chi-distribution formula, okay. Then take this problem. 5 dice were thrown 96 times and the numbers 1, 2 or 3 appearing on the face of the dice follows the frequency differences, as follows, okay. Here number of dice showing question number of dice showing 1, 2 or 3 frequency 5 signature Africa 5 7 4 19 3 35 2 24 1 8 0 3 number of showing, okay, this test the hypothesis the data followed by binomial solution is equal to 11.67 for 5 df, okay. Here chi distribution, but here frequency is given but expectation value is not given, okay. We need to find the expectation value here first. After we have to apply the chi distribution formula, then we have to solve, okay. Here observe, here the data gives observe the frequency, we need to calculate the expected frequency, okay. Here frequency is given, okay. We have to find the expected frequency. Observation, this is observation frequency. Number of dice showing 1, 2, 19, 35, 24, 8 and 3. Okay, means we have to find the expectation. Okay, here tossing a coin, no, probability of single dice, no, probability of single dice throwing 1, 2 is here observe here small p. Small p is equal to dice means the possible outcome is what here? The possible outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, number of dice showing is 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, means here 3. Probability of a single dice throwing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 is possible outcomes divided by favorable cases. Okay, favorable cases, possible outcomes. Here possible outcome is what? 6. So, favorable, how many elements are present here? 1, 2, write down here 3. Then what is okay, here p, small p is equal to 1 by 2. Then find out the q value. Here small q is equal to 1 minus p. 1 minus p is 1 minus 1 by 2. We are getting 1 by 2 only. Okay, here, observe here, we have to use the binomial distribution here. We need to find the expectation values, no? We have to use the binomial expectation. Okay, then write the binomial expectation for binomial formula. Distribution. The binomial distribution of it is n into q plus p whole to the power of n. Okay, n is 96 times. N is 5 dice throw 96 times. N is capital N is 5. Then q is 1 by 2 and p is also 1 by 2 whole to the power of. Okay, here we have to take 5. We have to take 5 here. 96 into, okay, 1 by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5. Okay. Then the theoretical frequency is here. The theoretical frequency is here. Okay, here ncx p to the power of n into ncx. P to the power of p to the power of n, q to the power of n minus x. Okay, here n is 5. Okay, the theoretical frequency of getting, okay, is the theoretical frequency of I, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1. Success with 5 dice or respectively the successive binomial exponential. Okay, they are respectively, observe here, 96 into 1 by 2 to the power of 5. Okay, 96 into 5c1. 5c1, okay, into 1 by 2 whole to the power of 5 plus 96 into 5c2 into 1 by 2 to the power of 4, 3 plus 5c3 into 1 by 2 to the power of 2, 5c3. Okay, next term, the 96 into 5c 1 by 2 to the power of 5, 1 by 2 to the power of 5. Okay, next is 96 into 5c5, 1 by 2 to the power of 5. Okay, use the calculator, simplify. Use the calculator, simplify, you will get it 3. 3. Okay, 3, 15, 30, 30, 15, 3. Okay, we have the table of observed and expectation. Here observed is here 7, 19, 35, 24, 8 and 3. Okay, in problem observation is given. Frequency we use the binomial distribution we found. Okay. Here expectation EI is 3, 15, 15, then 3. Then use the formula here. Chi square is equal to summation of OI minus EI whole square whole divided by EI whole divided by EI means 7 minus 3 whole square, okay, by 3. Expand it here. 7 minus 3 by 3. EI is 3 here. 19 minus 15 whole square by 15. Okay, next is 35 minus 30. 90 minus 15, then 35 minus 30 whole square by 30 plus 24 minus 30 whole square by 30. Okay, then plus 8 minus 15 whole square by 15. 3 minus 3 whole square by 3. Okay, then use the calculator, simplify. 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 square is 16, 16 by 3. 19 minus 15 is 4, 35 minus 30 is 5 square is 25 by 30. Then 24 minus 30 is 60 square means 36 by 30. Then 15 minus 8 is 15 minus 8 is 7 9 by 15 0. Okay, then simplify, you will get it here 11.7. Okay, then what is here in problem only is given here chi square, observe chi square 0.05 is 11.07. What we got 11.7. Okay, 11.7 is greater than of chi square 0.05 is equal to 11.07. 11.07. This is the required answer. Okay, any doubt? Observe here binomial distribution we have to use here. ncx t to the power of n q to the power of n minus h. We wrote here binomial distribution fit. We have wrote capital N into q plus p whole to the power of n. Understood? Any doubt? Audio?
No.
Asha? Any doubt? Then take down the problem. A dice. A dice. Throw. A dice. Thrown 264 times and number appearing on the face of X follows the following frequency distribution. Okay. Then X, yeah. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here 28 and 58, 54 and 60 and 60. Okay, calculate chi-square. Okay. The frequency in the data is frequency is in the area of 40, 32, 28, 58, 54 FPS or observed frequency. Okay, assuming that dice is unbiased, means what we'll do here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to appear on the face is 40 plus 32 plus 54 plus, okay, 272, correct? 272. Okay, here 272 divided by 6. Then Or we'll get it here 45.3333. Round off, we will do 45. Okay. Then write down number on the dice. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then observe frequency. In problem only is given observe frequency. Okay, 40, 32, 28, and 58, and 54, and 60. Okay. Then expected frequency, here we found out this is 45. Round up we are telling 45. This is expected frequency. Expected frequency 45, 45, 45, 45, 45 and 45. Okay. The next same formula write down here. Chi-square summation of 0I observation value minus expectation value whole square divided by expectation I. Okay. Then next observation here 40 minus 45 whole square divided by 45. Okay, plus 32 minus 45 whole divided by 45. Okay, in this problem is not mentioned how to find the frequency. Okay, previous problem is mentioned we have to use the binomial distribution. That's why we use the binomial distribution. Okay, in this problem not told any distributions. Okay, that's why directly what we did, a number of dice 6, then all the observation we added and observation divided by 6, we got it 45. Okay, then write the size distribution formula. 40 minus 45 whole square divided by 45, 32 minus 45 divided by 45, okay, plus 28 minus 45 whole square divided by 45, plus 58 minus 45 whole square divided by 45, then 54 minus 45 whole square divided by 45, plus 50 minus 45 whole square divided by 45. Okay, then take down 1 by 45 common. Okay, 40 minus 45 is 50. 85. 32 minus 45 is 7. 7, 8, and 14 square by 45. Use the calculator, simplify, you will get it values. Okay. Any doubt in this problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Then you have test now. All of writing the test after 3:30. How many members are writing the test? Don't know.